guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to apply the perfect pressed on nails. I did purchase these from Amazon. I'll be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing. So first things first, we do want to go ahead and get started with some fresh nails. We're going to go ahead and file them down and make sure there's no glue on there or like excess oils, because I did have on some press-ons prior to this. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my drill to make sure that I'm getting all of the extra like glue marks that I wasn't able to get with my filer. So the last step that I'm going to be doing before I put on my press-ons is that I'm going to be cleaning my nails with some acetone just to make sure that they are completely clean and ready for the press-on nails, because obviously we're going to have to apply glue back on there. So next, I'm just prepping my nails by sizing them up first. It is important that you do this step just because you don't want to go ahead and apply your glue first and just grab a nail thinking that it's gonna fit, but it actually doesn't fit. So, and then you glue it on, which then you're gonna have to remove the glue and all that extra jazz, and we don't wanna have to do all those other steps all over again. So you wanna make sure that the size is perfect and that it fits properly. So I personally like to use the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. It's not intended for nails, but I personally do this, so you don't have to do this. And I'm not saying I recommend that you do this, but this is what works for me. My nails are actually able to last me at least like 2 weeks when I use the Gorilla Glue. And I also use my nail glue like in combination with that. But like I said, this is just my step. This is what works for me. This is how my nails are able to last me at least 2 weeks, and they're not gonna, constantly pop off. If you're someone who washes dishes a lot like myself, like I wash a whole lot of dishes all day, every day, so my hands are constantly getting wet, constantly getting into something. So this is why I choose to go ahead and go with the Gorilla Glue first. Now, after you've applied both layers of the glue on there, you're going to go ahead and gently place the nail, and you're going to hold it and squeeze it for a little bit. I like to squeeze my nails on and hold it and press them on for at least like a minute each nail after I've put them on there. So you're going to see I'm just going to keep going back in, pressing down on it, because I want these to last, and these are longer nails, so that means they're just easier to break, if the glue is not on there properly, like if it's not on there like really tight. So that's why I'm just gonna keep going back and doing the same thing over and over again. These nails did last me a little over a week. They were actually too long. I was poking hubby with these quite a bit, and that's why I had to remove them. But when I removed them, none of them had popped off. It was by choice. So I was the one who decided to go ahead and just remove them and do some shorter ones. So if you have kids or, whatever, and, the longer nails may not work for you, that's completely fine. They do have other types of press-on nails available on Amazon, at your local Walgreens or CVS. They actually tend to have like some of the best press-on nails that I've seen. I have some other ones as well. If you guys really enjoy this video, that I can, continue to show you guys what those look like. I've purchased some that were custom made from someone on Instagram as well. So I'll be doing those probably next week for you guys, just so that you guys can see those. But yeah, Other than that, I'm just going to be doing this step over and over again for each of the nails, as you guys will see. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments section below. And here I'm just applying some oil to my cuticles because I want them to look like I freshly got them done, because I did. I freshly did them myself, so therefore these are a fresh set of nails. I'm absolutely obsessed with my nails, as you guys can see. I thought these were really cute. I did not know Amazon actually had these available. I was just on a wild goose hunt when I was looking for these, and I found these and I was like, wow, these are really pretty, and I just love the stiletto shape. They're really perfect. But yeah, you guys, so I'm obsessed with them, as you guys can see here. Let me know what you guys think of the final look. I think they look bomb.com. Like, I just went to the salon and got them done. And yeah, sis, you can totally save yourself on some coins, and it's COVID-19, so you don't want to be, in nobody's face trying to get your nails done. And that's me currently, and that's why I choose press-on nails. But yeah, so I will see you guys on my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching.